Independence with partition and constitution. With reference to Indian history, the members of the Constituent Assembly from the provinces were A. Directly elected by the people of the provinces. Directly elected by the people of provinces. Okay. B. Nominated by the Congress and Muslim League. C. Elected by the Provincial Legislative Assembly. D. Selected by the government for their expertise in constitutional matters. The answer is C. Elected by the provincial, that is indirect election. The reason being, when the Constituent Assembly was formed in 1946, it was immediately after the Britishers were eager to leave India, but after the Second World War, even the Indian situation after Quit India movement, and India was also a participant in Second World War, situation was not such uh, that good. Moreover, there was communal riots were happening, so they considered that it is better to constitute the Constituent Assembly through indirect election from Provincial Legislative Assembly, because already there were Provincial Legislative Assembly elections happened, and there were members, and that and indirectly members of Constituent Assembly were chosen, right? Because they know that it will be a cumbersome and time consuming task to prepare a constitution for a country of India, and it ultimately took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, and that is why they chose this mode of election.